Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm so excited to show you a new kit from Stylevana. Do you want to know what this is about? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so the new Stylevana Discovery box just arrived. They did send this to me for review, so thank you so much for sending me your amazing kit to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So if you guys don't know, Stylevana rolls out these boxes from time to time, and I absolutely love them. They're curated so well. It's normally like a whole routine and then some, but it's a great way to test out some amazing products at a discounted rate. This will be in the description box down below if you like to pop on over and check this out or any of their amazing products that Stylevana has to offer. They have so many amazing products. Everything that you could possibly think of K-beauty and J-beauty related, they definitely have you covered. Skincare, makeup, hair care, body care, they've got you. So if you like to check them out, in the description box will be the link again for their actual website and for this specific kit. Now it is launching today. The day you are seeing this, it is launching. So if you want to grab it, snag it before they sell out. They always sell out super, super fast. But in the description box, again, you will be able to pop on over, check out the pricing and all of that and snag one for yourself if you're interested.
Meet the new exclusive mid-year limited edition mini advent pouch with the VANA Discovery box. This is a beautifully curated pouch filled with hand-picked selection of Stylevana skincare goodies that include this adorable bag that can be used as a travel pouch, a daily makeup bag, and so much more. Now you can grab this amazing deal and stock up on your new summer skincare routine. And I wanted to share this amazing deal to celebrate this launch. They have prepared a special offer for logged in customers. So if you're not already, go ahead and create an account if you would like, because logged in customers will get 23% off this mini advent pouch only. It will show up in your cart. If you would like to purchase anything other than the advent pouch, it would give you 21% off, excluding the advent pouch since it has its own better discount. That is for an order of $79 or higher, or all orders with no minimum order would give you 15% off. If you're not a logged in customer or you do not want to do that, or it's after the launch date, you can always use my code INF10 Shecrafty to get you 10 to 15% off.
And I just want to say, this is like the most impressive box that I have seen. Normally, you know, like you have a lid, that kind of thing. This one, you have a magnetic closure. Look at how gorgeous. You can definitely use this to store stuff in. So I am super impressed with the packaging. Not to mention, look at these beautiful, bright, bold colors. Screaming summery. So totally right for this time of year as well. There's even a sun. So let's go ahead and dive in. Let's see everything that is included. And I'm super, super excited. So right on the top, there is a really cute bag. It's like a little, looks like a puffy bag. It says Stylevana. So this is how it looks. It has the gold accent. It does have a little thing here to pull off for the Stylevana logo. And it has the gold pull zipper. And then on the inside, there actually is a little side pocket and a full open in the middle, which that is really neat. Most bags do not have a side pocket. They thought of that. There is a side pocket, and it kind of feels like a thicker, kind of like a plastic or something right here in the top, which kind of gives it a lot more support. So I appreciate that. It's like, it's gonna stay its little shape there. And there you go. So you have a bag that you can use for anything, which that is really, I love the little plushie. It reminds me of like one of those little jackets, the puffy jackets. I don't have one because I never get that cold, but I see people wearing them. So holy moly, you guys, this is jam-packed with products. Oh my goodness, look at this. All of these products are oh my gosh. All of these products are inside of this box, you guys. Holy moly. Okay. So let me go ahead and get all of these out. So we have 9 products plus the bag. So there is 10 products total inside of this box. So let's go ahead and just start going with the products. No rhyme or reason. I'll just start pulling them out. This one is iUnic. I love this brand, and this is the Complete Cleansing Oil. I tell you guys, I prefer the cleansing balm over the cleansing oil all day long, but I do use the cleansing oil. I'm just not an oily fan. I've never have been. So I always just kind of stay away from them, and I use the balm. But again, these do work amazing. I've used this brand before as well. So I am excited about this being in the box because I know it's a good one. So again, this is a cleansing oil you use like any normal cleansing oil. And it says pump 2 to 3 times of this cleansing oil onto dry palms, gently massage over dry face in order of forehead, nose, and cheeks. After massaging, don't wipe off with a tissue, but rinse off with lukewarm water 2 to 3 times. So there's that. Let me show you what it looks like on the inside. Nice large container of it. This literally lasted me a long time, and I don't have any more, so I'm glad to now have it again. Here is again the cleansing oil. It's great. I love it. I love the brand, and I don't mind this one because it isn't like oily feeling. So that's actually one. There's only like 2 or 3 that I actually do enjoy, and that is one of them because it's not so oily. And as you can see, like even in here, it kind of looks more of like a watery type of a consistency than straight oil. So I do like this one. So there is the cleansing oil. Up next, and I love this brand, this is the Soothing Toner Madagascar Centella. I don't have this one. I do have another toner from them, but not this one. So this is interesting to see a new product. And again, this is a brand that I absolutely love, the Skin 1004. Love, love, love this brand. There's actually quite a few. Yes, there's quite a few great brands in here. Like my favorite brands are inside of this kit. That's so cool. So Skin 1004, here's your toner. After you are cleansed, you tone. And the directions on here say, apply an appropriate amount to a cotton round, pad, or directly on the palm, and then gently pat to absorb into the skin. And I always used to use like the reusable rounds, the cotton rounds, and then wash them. But honestly, I always do that as soon as I'm out of the shower. So I'm as clean as I'm going to be. So I just and I just pat it on my face with my own hands. So then I'm not throwing anything away. I'm not having to wash anything, reuse anything. I'm just good to go after that. So I use my hands now. You can use what you like. Up next is Porito. Love, love, love this brand. I haven't tried this product though, so this is exciting. It is a retinol serum toning booster facial serum. So it's a toning booster facial serum. Let's get this one out of the package. Ooh, that is super cute. The packaging, like the top part, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see that, but the top part is like an orange, and then it fades to like a pink. So it's like it looks tropical to me. Like it looks super pretty. Like the packaging is super pretty. So the retinol serum, this one, I need my glasses because it's a teeny tiny writing. So hold on. Shake the bottle 2 to 3 times until the 2 layers are fully mixed. Okay. Yeah, it's getting even harder to read on this. Dispense 1 full dropper spread evenly over the face and gently pat until absorbed. So yeah, you do mix that so these colors do mix all together. Still super pretty. It's like now it looks more like a brownish orange, like a burnt orange. But I'm super, super excited. Love that brand. So exciting. Okay, so up next we do have a time reverse Medica cream. I'm not sure what that is, but that's what it says. Directions. At the last step of your skincare routine, gently apply an appropriate amount to the face. So this would basically just be like a moisturizer. I love a moisturizer, so I am all for it. And that is what it looks like. So very last step, after cleansed, after toned, after whatever you're gonna do, if you're gonna do a serum, a booster, an ampule, whichever, very last step, put on this cream. And that's actually like a nice size too, especially if it's just like a cream to put on at the last step. You probably don't have to use a whole lot, you know what I mean? So that's awesome. Ooh, now we have Medicube, another amazing brand. This is the Turmeric Vita Eye Gel Serum. Ooh, that sounds amazing. Vitamin C, caffeine. So this one here looks like this. Apply appropriate amount gently to the desired area around the eyes after washing your face and pat lightly to absorb. So very simple. Just put it in your little eye area, pat it in to absorb. And again, I love Medicube and a turmeric eye gel serum. Yes, please. That sounds amazing. All right, you guys. So up next, we have the Pure Juju. I don't know. It says 99 Mist by Pretty Skin. And this one says how to use evenly spray from a distance of 20 centimeters from the face while keeping your eyes closed. Let it dry and then pat into your face to promote absorption into the skin. And let me show you what it looks like. Ooh, it's a nice little package, all nice and green. So you do have a facial mist you can use anytime. Let's spray it and see what kind of mist we got going on. It looks like that. See, I don't want to get a mist on my glasses, so let me put them in between my legs. Okay, so it's a nice fine. Can you see that? There's no scent. It feels nice on my skin, like when you spray it, it feels like a nice cooling little spritz. So here is, again, a little mist that you can use. That is so cool. Whenever you need a little mist, spritz that on your face. Okay, up next we have is a Cell Fusion C Laser UV Sunscreen SPF 50 plus PA+++++ broad spectrum skin fit sun cream. And this one here, let's see what it looks like. I'm all for sunscreen. I always tell you guys, skin cancer is way too common in my family. So I definitely say protect our skin from that rays. It feels like it's getting like stronger and stronger, to be honest. So sunscreen has become my best friend. This is a great size too to drop down in your purse, your backpack, put it in your kids' backpack, get them started using it when they're out at recess or at lunch playing, have them put a little on their face or arms at least, but definitely protect your skin. This one again says laser UV sunscreen and it has a seal, but let's see how fast this color will break down. That's what I really love. Like when it goes on white and it breaks down super easy, that does. Look at that. Like the white casting goes away pretty quick. I don't really smell anything, so that's also good. But yeah, that white cast went away very, very quickly. So you have a sunscreen, protect your skin. Up next we have, it says Misha 20 ml Glow Skin Balm. This looks like it might be a makeup product. Let's see. Let me get my glasses back on. Let's see what you are. Directions. After skin treatment, apply an appropriate amount over the face and gently pat to aid absorption. So it's a glow skin balm. So maybe like a moisturizing face balm. That's interesting. But here is what the packaging looks like. It looks white when it comes out of the container. I was thinking it was gonna be like some pink. Ooh, it kind of has like a nice clean scent to it. I'm excited. And then the last thing we have in here is the PDRN Beetle Shot Scalp Shampoo. It says that this shampoo effectively cleanses while maintaining hair and scalp health. I haven't used a shampoo from this brand. I've used other products, but not a shampoo. I won't take you into the shower with me. You're welcome. But I will show you what the packaging looks like, and then I will put it in my shower and I will use it when I wash this mane tonight. That is a nice size too. So you have a scalp shampoo. But yeah, let's see if we can get a little scent. I love to smell shampoos and conditioners. I can't really get a good smell because I have like all these other smells on me. It does smell like nice and clean, like an aloe vera type, you know how like that smells nice and clean? That's kind of what I'm smelling. So I can't wait to use it. Again, I will use that in the shower tonight for the shampoo. But that is everything that came in this kit, you guys. What do you think of all of these amazing products? Great brands. Like my top favorite brands are in here. And you have this really nice makeup bag as well. So a quick recap, you have the makeup bag, you have the shampoo, you have the sunscreen, protect your skin. You have this balm that I'm super excited to try out. You have your retinol serum, you have your face mist, your eye gel, you have a face moisturizer, which I can't wait to use that one as well. You have your cleansing oil and your toner. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is definitely like a whole skincare routine rolled into one kit to save you money. So that is absolutely amazing. And don't forget, you can use my code INF10 Shecrafty, and that will save you 10 to 15% off what is accumulated in your cart. You can use it for any of their individual items, their kit, anything like that. So definitely, if you would like to check them out, they will be listed in the description box to take you over to their site to show you everything that they have to offer and this amazing kit. Again, today is the launch day. If you are interested in this whole amazing skincare routine, saving you a lot of money by getting it in the kit, definitely snag it before they sell out because they do sell quickly, you guys. So that is everything, but comment down below and let me know what you thought about it. What would you think of this whole routine? What do you think of the brands? What do you think of the products in here? What do you think of this kit in general? Definitely comment down below and let me know. If you would like to see other companies, learn more about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is shecrafty.com. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I would love for you to stick around. I do so many different types of videos. If something pops up that you're not interested in, then just pass it until you see one that you are. It's that simple. All right, you guys, so now that is everything to say and show for this particular video. Don't forget to comment down below and let me know your thoughts. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.